Dr. Brooks, I wanted to give you this short video of my true appreciation for everything that you've done for the university, the community, JICI, and me personally throughout the years. Over 23 years, we've done a lot of projects together, and they've been very exciting on their own merits. We were privileged to do the Sponsel Center, which is now your administration building. We have been part of the football stadium, the baseball stadium, the softball stadium. We've been fortunate enough to work on and transform the old library into the Ford building. We worked on Best Hall in 2016 with the chemistry labs, and here we are currently under construction right now with the biomedical portion of Best Hall. We've also had the privilege of working on many iconic projects. You have the bridge that overlooks now Thunder Avenue. You have the athletic center that is one of the largest pre-engineered clear span buildings in the state. So you have the golf course apartments that we did in 2008, 2009, which added almost 400 beds to the university. So we have the SDI Center, which was a project that we completed last year, which is an addition to the Box Center that sits in the center of campus, 3 stories, almost 40,000 square feet. Beautiful building. Your 23 years of leadership at the university and through the community has proven itself over and over again, and through everything that we do at JICI to make sure that our service is second to none for you and the university. So it's hard to believe this all started with the villas. Then we went to the University Center, which was nationally recognized as a facility by our peers. And then over the past 23 years, we have almost 40 projects that we've worked with you on. Every project is special, every project is unique, every project is iconic in its own special way, which is clearly a testament of your leadership and the board's leadership and the vision that you have with Trine University. Dr. Brooks, I can't thank you enough for everything that you've done for our company, everything that you've done for me personally, and I'm proud to call you my friend.